Let us look at the third concept of this course, that is types of shareholders. In shareholders, there are three kinds. The first one being short-term trader. These are also known as intraday traders. These short-term traders are the ones who buys the shares at 9:15 a.m. when the market opens and sells the same shares by 3:24 p.m. when the market closes. Okay, now let's move on with the second type of the shareholder, who is also known as medium-term investor. Trader, please concentrate here. Medium-term investor is the one who buys the share for some and holds it for some period of time. But the short-term trader won't hold it for a long time. He sells the same day. Okay. So medium-term investor is the one who buys the shares and holds it for anywhere between 3 days to 3 months. They make money by holding shares for some medium term. The third kind is long-term investor. Long-term investors are those who buys the shares and holds it beyond 3 months to some years. Okay. There are some names to shareholders in the market which you need to understand. The first one being retail institutional investors are those who, like you and me, who buys the shares in some company for below 2 lakhs. Okay. If I'm investing in a company and it's below 2 lakhs, I'm considered as retail institutional investors. This other kind is high net worth individual, where who buys the shares above 2 lakhs and holds it for some time. The third one is FIIs. FIIs are someone who's buying the shares from the foreign country. These are foreign institutionals who buy the shares of Indian market companies. The fourth one being DIIs. DIIs are LIC company and other such companies who are domestic institutional investors who invest in the companies from India, within India. Another kind is government is also an investor in some of the companies.